Right, so the next workshop, and we've got this running on the 21st of August, so not that long. So the other one that we've done is already out there. We put the link in Facebook. This is a brand new one, and we are going to be looking at OBS. So for you guys that don't know what OBS is, it's crazy. We can do things like this, right? We can do things like this. We can do things like the little dog that we had come up. So let's just play him one more time just for Kevin. That kind of thing. And let's just play something that we're going to do. So I'm going to give you all of the assets to go with this OBS workshop, right? And this is one of the assets that you're going to get access to, as well as that ballerina that you saw earlier.
Breaking news! A giant kitten!
There we go. So you learn some really mega cool things that you can do. There we go. So this is all about learning OBS to present your business better. And we go, this covers everything you need to know. Everything you need to know. So it's not just about setup. It's about if you haven't got things like green screens to do what I'm doing here. So it's for people that haven't got that tech. But it's also for showing how to route audio through OBS to take control of your audio. So inside OBS, you can do things like noise reduction. You can add compressors and filters. Plus, you can take your video in there and you can color yourself, and you can do all of these amazing things. Put text over the top, have animations, put video in there, and you can output all of that to Zoom or straight from OBS to YouTube, Twitch, everywhere, any social. So we also talk about how you can use it to record as well. So if I did a recording now, this would end up on my desktop and I could upload it to YouTube, use it for my media. So it can be used. You don't even have to edit then. If you put a splash screen up to start with, like something like that, and then you go there and then you start your recording and you finish, you've got a finished video. You don't have to cut anything in. You can put that straight on YouTube, straight on Facebook. It's done. But not only that, this is in HD. We're going to change the size. So you're producing social media content at mobile size. Any size you want, you can set and you can output. So it's going to be super cool for you guys that want to get into this. And this is happening on the 21st. So it's using OBS with Zoom, stream to social channels, set up OBS scenes, add a virtual audio cable for routing stuff through, bring in more media, record to your desktop. This is just a few things that we cover. It's quite big. It's about a 2-hour workshop. We're running it live. So we're going to run recordings, and afterwards we're going to give you a link directly to the replay page as well. Put your name, email in there, submit I'm not a robot, and get access. So this is the OBS workshop. We'll put the link in the Facebook group, and this will be officially released soon to everybody.